Hi, kiddos! Welcome to Poetic Pulse. It is a time for a brain break. Do you know why? It will boost your focus, reduce stress, and refresh your mind for better learning. Is it not interesting? Comments on your feelings after this brain break exercise. Now let's start. Let's dance and shake. Dance and shake like it's the 70s. Dance and shake your foot. Dance and shake your head. Dance like your favorite animal. Dance like you're exercising. Dance like you're a robot. Dance like it's Friday. Now dance freestyle. Gently sway like a tree. Time for a side stretch. Time for the other side. Take a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Wasn't that fun? Now it's time to put our brains back to work. Now our brains are strong and ready to learn. Great! Is it not funny? Now write your feelings in the comments section. Taking time for a brain break is essential for maintaining a healthy mind. So, make it a part of your routine and improve focus, creativity, and overall well-being. Thanks for joining us today, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks to optimize your life.